Here are 3 gadgets to make your old car a bit smarter. First up, we got a coiled up USB-C to Lightning cable to charge your iPhone. And this thing is very heavy and these coils are very strong, very rugged, and there is a light. And then next up we got a cigarette charger. So I specifically got it because I have a camera which also runs on the cigarette lighter. So it has output of another cigarette lighter, 2 USB and a USB-C. And the second up is make your old media system Bluetooth enable. Because let's be honest, who has the time to connect over every single time? So it's from UGREEN. So here we go. It's a very sleek design, metal end. So let's put these 3 into action and see how it looks. So here I have put everything onto my car. So I have put my camera's connector here and it's plugged in. And this is the car which reaches to my dashboard to charge my phone, and the UGREEN Bluetooth connector, and I can assure you it works completely fine. Would recommend it. The quality of this wear is very good, and it has a lovely indicator light that it has power. So overall, great products. This is you can have to improve your car.